Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be going over some 3 off 15 scenarios that y'all can do any day of the week, and I have one deal that is as low as 15 cents out of pocket. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time, so it is very important when you are in the store to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach, and also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright guys, so for all the scenarios that we are about to go over, you are going to need the 3 off 15 DG store coupon. So I'm going to put the link for this coupon in the pinned comment. So check the comment section right down below this video. It should be the very first comment that you see. Click on the link and add it to your account. Alright guys, so jumping right in, here is our first scenario. We have a quick little food deal that y'all can do. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Snapple drinks. They're on sale 2 for $2 this week. 1 of the Armour hot dogs, they're on sale for $1.35. 1 of the Wonder Bread hot dog buns at $2.65. 2 of the Betty Crocker Suddenly salads, they are on sale, buy one get one free. So you're going to pay $2.35. 1 of the Louisiana Tea 24 count at $2. 3 of the V8 Splash, they're on sale 3 for $5. And 1 of the Azo 20 count tablets at $3.45. And that is going to put your subtotal at $18.80. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 50 cent off 1 Snapple, the 50 cent off 1 Snapple printable coupon from InboxDollars, the 75 cent off 1 Louisiana Tea, the 5 off 1 Azo product. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons to $9.05 for 11 items. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have a 25 cent rebate back for the Wonder Bread buns. So submit your receipt to Ibotta and get 25 cents back. Then you're also going to get 20 cents back from InboxDollars just for simply using that printable coupon in the store. And that is going to bring your final price to $8.60 for 11 items, making each one just 78 cents each. Alright, next up we have a household deal. So for this one you want to pick up 1 of the Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent 45 ounce bottles at $4.25, 2 of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners at $5, they are $2.50 each, 1 of the LYSOL all-purpose cleaners at $2.25, 1 of the Azo 20 count tablets at $3.45, and 1 Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush at $1. That's going to bring your subtotal to $15.95. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 2 off 1 Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, the 1 off 2 Clorox products, the 50 cent off 1 Lysol product, the 5 off 1 Azo product, and the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons to $3.45 for 6 items, making each one just 57 cents each. But the deal gets even better because right now on InboxDollars we have a $1.50 rebate back on the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners. So submit your receipt to InboxDollars and get $1.50 back. That's going to make your final price $1.95 for all 6 items, making each one just 32 cents each. Alright, next up we have a personal care deal. So for this one you want to pick up 2 of the Axe deodorants, 1.7 ounces for $5.70. They are $2.85 each. 1 of the Degree deodorants, 2.7 ounces. You can pick up the men's or the women's. They're priced at $3.50. 2 of the SUAVE men's body wash at $4. Those are $2 each. 1 of the Bic Us razors at $6. And 1 of the Azo 20 count tablets at $3.45. That's going to bring your subtotal to $22.65. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Axe deodorant, the 2 off 2 Axe deodorant DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Degree deodorant, the 1 off 1 Degree deodorant DG store coupon, the 50 cent off 2 SUAVE body wash, the 1 off 1 SUAVE Axe and Dove DG store coupon, the 5 off 1 Bic Us razor, and the 5 off 1 Azo product. And that is going to bring your subtotal after coupons to $3.15 for 7 items, making each one just 45 cents each. Alright guys, so for this next scenario, it is actually the exact same scenario that we just went over. The only difference is going to be with our coupons. So again, pick up all of those items that we just went over, and that's going to bring your subtotal to $22.65. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. Alright, and here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Axe deodorant, the 2 off 2 Axe deodorant DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 degree deodorant, the 1 off 1 degree deodorant DG store coupon. And here is the difference between this scenario and the last scenario. We're actually going to be using the 1 off 2 Suave body wash insert coupon from the Unilever insert. Then you're going to need that 1 off 1 Suave Axe and Dove DG store coupon, the 5 off 1 Bic Us razor, and the 5 off 1 Azo product. And that is going to bring your subtotal after coupons to just $2.65 for all 7 items, making each one just 37 cents each. Alright guys, and last but not least, we have our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes at $1, 3 American greeting cards at $1.50, those are 50 cents each, one of the Azo 20 count tablets at $3.45, 1 degree deodorant 2.7 ounce, again you can pick up the men's or the women's, they're both priced at $3.50, and 2 Axe deodorants 1.7 ounce at $5.70, those are $2.85 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $15.15. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need that 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Oral-B toothbrush, the 1 off 3 American greeting cards, the 5 off 1 Azo product, the 1 off 1 degree deodorant, the 1 off 1 degree deodorant DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Axe deodorant, and the 2 off 2 Axe deodorant DG store coupon. And that is going to bring your subtotal after coupons all the way down to 15 cents for 8 items, making each one just about 2 cents each. So how awesome is that, guys? Alright guys, so there you have it for our 3 off 15 scenarios so far. Don't forget, y'all can do these deals any day of the week up until Friday, June the 30th, because this 3 off 15 coupon does expire on Friday, June the 30th. And also, if you need this 3 off 15 coupon, don't forget that it is linked in the pinned comment down below this video. Now, also before y'all go, don't forget to stay tuned and turn on those notifications, because I do have some more ideas and different ways that we can use this 3 off 15 DG store coupon this week. I do have at least 3 more videos coming up, because we do have that awesome promotion right now going on for the P&G products, and we also have a 3-day sale coming up. So make sure that your notifications are turned on so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Now, just a quick friendly reminder before you all go, once you're done shopping this week, don't forget to scan your receipts into the Fetch Rewards Rebate app, because a lot of the items that I've included in these scenarios are also included in Fetch Rewards, so y'all should be getting some extra points back, specifically on those Unilever products like Degree, Suave, Axe. So make sure that y'all scan your receipts. Now, if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I don't know what you're waiting on. This is the easiest rebate app out there, because you don't have to worry about adding anything onto your account. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt. You're going to earn points on the products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. So if you're not already signed up and you want to go and check it out, my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. Now, also in this video, I mentioned the Ibotta rebate app. This is another one of my favorites, because I have literally saved thousands of dollars just by using this one rebate app. So if you're not already signed up and you want to go and check it out, my referral code is on the screen here, again, as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive some free, fun, exciting welcome bonuses. So definitely go and check it out. And then last but certainly not least, we have InboxDollars. Now, I am going to be doing an update talking about InboxDollars and printable coupons, because unfortunately, printable coupons are going to be a thing of the past. So this is the last week that y'all can print off those printable coupons. So make sure that y'all print them off through InboxDollars, because InboxDollars will actually pay you to print off those coupons, and then they're going to pay you an extra 20 cents just for using those coupons in the store. So if you're not already signed up, you definitely need to go and check it out and get paid to print off your free printable coupons. So my referral link will be down in the pinned comment below, and if you use it, you're going to receive $5 just for signing up. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you good luck with your deals this week. I hope you guys can get out there and save a bunch of money. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Also, on your way out, hit that thumbs up button for me, leave me a comment down below, and let me know how y'all are doing today, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one.